looks like a Hansel and Gretel house.
Our 800th flip is a high-end home. It's near Long Beach, and what makes this house really cool is it's actually surrounded by very large multi-million-dollar homes. So it's a luxury home, but it is entry-level for the neighborhood.
What do we got, babe? Is it clean? Very, oh.
You have...
Well, I can't see anything with all these balloons.
I see something going on up here. Is that water?
Oh, we have water damage.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Although you do have water damage, I think your guys' roof is newer. We do have cracks here.
Oh.
So I've got cracks there, and I've got cracks right here on the other side of the fireplace.
That wall needs to come down.
Right.
This is weird walking in to a wall like that, but I wonder what's on the other side.
And how many bedrooms do we have?
It says it's a 4-bedroom online.
And it's about 2,400 square feet.
Okay, it's decent, yeah.
You walk it. I've got some doubts.
On the size or the bedroom bathroom count?
Oh my God, again. Okay, should we start in the kitchen?
Well, look at, they attempted to remodel the flooring.
This is ugly though. It's not good. There's a second story? Babe, I didn't know
I didn't
that.
see that.
So we definitely should open that up, right? Can we, Jeff?
So this is bearing here, and that wall over there is bearing. So if you guys want to start taking out those walls, I'm gonna have a beam here, and then I'm gonna have another beam over here that they're gonna have to tie into each other. So you
Oh, we
guys
have a pool?
Oh, I didn't know there was a pool.
That's great.
It's green swamp monster pool, but
We can clean that.
Right.
What is this, like, is that an addition room? Like, what is that over there? Why is there a slider to a sunroom?
The garage is there, and then you walk through like the indoor,
Like a mud
outdoor.
room.
Exactly, and then the kitchen's right there.
right.
Babe, this is a tough flip for me.
Yeah, this is definitely not a rookie flip.
And we're definitely above our $200,000 budget.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
It's a good-sized bedroom.
Okay, this is good.
All of your rooms are like this size.
Oh.
But here's the problem with this back bedroom. Look at this.
This is weird.
You just want to like
what is this hallway?
pinball off the halls here.
Oh, this is super
You need
tight.
it. It's like this needs to be taken down. It's like creepy.
Well, why is it so tight?
It's not to code, that's for sure.
Oh no, look at it was an afterthought, honey. Look,
Yeah.
this is where the wall should be, and at some point they built it out.
Yeah. I don't know if maybe they needed a wider door, so they pushed it over. It could have been somebody that's in a wheelchair or whatever.
Well, we're pulling permits here, so what is the city gonna make us do with this?
Push it back over.
But then it's gonna encroach into the bedroom. It's make the bedroom smaller.
Right.
And this isn't the primary.
No.
How many bedrooms have we actually seen? This
We've
is the
been in
second
2.
bedroom.
There's one more.
Let's go look at that one real quick.
Okay.
You don't have a 4th bedroom, and you don't have a 3rd bath.
What?
But this bath is obviously the largest one, and it's closest to this bedroom over here.
This is funky.
Honestly, like, we're gonna have to like almost scrap everything with this house and just reconfigure
Bring
it.
it down to the studs.
I mean, that's what it's looking like, right? Like, we're close to it.
Walk upstairs, tell me what you think. I really question the 2nd story. I mean, so
Oh,
hard.
God, why?
Just by looking here, look at the thickness of this. A 2x4 is holding up this
that's
entire
it?
2nd story.
Oh my gosh,
God,
that's
babe.
that's what's supporting it?
Right. You can't have a floor that's framed with just 2x4s.
This is probably what they're calling a bedroom, because there's a closet right there, but this definitely is not a bedroom.
Oh.
That's a lot of flex.
Okay, that I
Oh,
felt the
dude,
whole thing
this is-
move. Honey, don't do that.
Oh, that is not safe.
That
I'm
is
not
not
saying
safe
it.
at all. Honey, please. Okay, so this is a really low ceiling too.
So by code, I need to have a minimum of 7 foot. Other areas, I need to have 8 foot.
Up here.
Just on ceilings in general.
So we have to raise this whole thing up?
We would have to take the entire roof off this house.
Oh my God.
How much did that cost, you think?
Between the floor and the roof, a little over 100.
Wondering if it's permitted or not.
Right.
The challenge with this house is making it feel luxury without breaking the bank. First, we're gonna knock down the wall in the living room so it doesn't feel so claustrophobic when you walk in. The upstairs room isn't up to code, and since we can't spend 100 grand to fix it, we're gonna have to tear it down and raise the ceiling. It's gonna open up the house and make it feel really high end. To make up for the lost square footage, we're gonna be splitting the large hallway bath into 2 separate bathrooms, turning the attached bedroom into the primary suite. Jeff came in with a revised budget of $260,000. We're planning for the renovation to take about 25 weeks, so with holding and selling costs, we're all in at $1,530,000. If we can sell this house for $1.7 million, that's a profit of $170,000.
This looks way bigger.
Right?
Question, would we just drywall in the ceiling, or would we remove all these beams and just have like the open ceiling?
Open ceiling.
It's the same cost. So why not get the openings, right?
Okay, done. So,
And then could we add beams?
I have an
If you
idea.
want to.
Can we use these already existing ones and put them up there?
Yeah.
I like that better, because then you walk in and it's super open.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
So you want them running the length.
Running that one.
Okay.
Yeah. We're not keeping the floor, though, right?
Oh, I say we just lay a laminate right on top or something like that.
Yeah.
Think about the price point of this home. Like, how much would wood be if we did
Budgeted
like a...
was laminate. If you guys wanted to go with wood, you're looking about $250 a square foot more.
So probably $3 to $4 grand.
Right.
Look, obviously, kitchen could be different, but this whole room and this room needs to be the same. Can you meet tomorrow? We can start going through materials, and we'll look at laminate to try to save money, and if not, we'll pick wood.
Sold. Okay, let's look at the
Bedrooms?
Yeah, the bedrooms. Look like a pony today. Look at that thing. Look at that.
So this is gonna be the primary, but now we're gonna open it up to the bathroom. Ah,
Jeff, they drew your picture.
He even looks upset.
Oh yeah, they stand next to it. Yeah, there you go.
he does look upset because we're spending too much money.
Oh, well, maybe that's a picture of Tarek.
Hey, well played, well played. I like that.
So where you now have your closet, we'll have a door that walks into the bathroom over here.
Okay, so we're gonna be down to one closet in this room, but we're gonna get 2 bathrooms.
Right.
That works. What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
We designing today?
We are, but where's Heather?
Oh, she took the day off.
I'm not designing without Heather.
Oh no.
I'm not designing anything without Heather.
Well, you don't trust me?
I do, but I have some things that are a little, over budget, and she's the one who always says, yes, it's beautiful, let's do it.
Oh, so you wanted the yes answer person. Okay, so what are we working with?
So here I came up with 2 different color schemes.
Is this real wood, Omar? Is this in budget?
Yeah.
What's the budget?
And that one is $4.99.
Plus labor?
Yeah.
There's a couple problems we're gonna have to discuss.
Like? Tell me right now, Jeffrey.
Why right now? I'd
Because
rather
I
you
wanna know,
see
I'm
it. No,
impatient.
because if
You
I,
can't tell me there's problems and then not tell me what the problems
if
are.
I tell you right now, you're just gonna sit there and pressure me, and you're not
Oh my
gonna actually
God.
see it, so you won't understand.
Fine, let's just go to the house.
you
then.
agree.
You're just like Heather. You know that? You're just like Heather.
Hey, the more that we get to know you, the
my
more
God.
we realize, don't tell this guy anything
Please
beforehand.
don't. If you don't tell me, I have nothing to freak out about. If you tell me, I do.
Don't worry, it's gonna be fine.
All right, we're almost here, huh?
All right, so check out the outside. You've got it
Oh,
painted.
the paint came out great. Ooh, I love the colors.
Everything looks good, right?
That blue came out awesome. Heather's gonna love that. All right, house 800, what do we got?
Get on in there, man.
2 weeks, huh? We're gonna find out.
You will have a house in 2 weeks.
Damn. This looks good.
So what do you think?
It's wide open.
This wall
Yeah.
was your delay.
This looks phenomenal.
Family room down here.
I thought the raised ceiling started more farther back this way.
No, the ceilings were over here, but remember you had a staircase over here.
And where are the beams? I don't see any beams.
You don't.
Jeff.
All right. This is one of the issues. And see that face? That face is why I didn't tell you in the car, because I didn't want to have another 10 minutes of looking at that face. In here, if you wanted those original beams, I'd have to put lag bolts through, and then I'm putting them in a 2x, right? Because my ceiling joists are 2xs. If I was to frame in and put a lag bolt in them, chances are those would crack.
Then how do we get the beams in? Because we rebuilt the whole ceiling.
You can redo it if you want, but to redo it, the cost is gonna be insane. I mean, you're talking 15 grand, and that party, you can go ahead and just toss that out the window. This is what I'm thinking. Can we do these? Right, feel it. Feel how lightweight that is.
Oh, they're foam.
Yeah, it's all foam.
And this is the color.
Yeah.
Well, what colors are flooring?
Pull back the corner over here.
Ooh, that is nice.
It matches pretty well with the flooring. They both kind of have that like honey blonde look. Just leave it.
Okay, but the other beams I already owned. How much are these gonna cost?
$1,500 for these, or $15,000 to re-engineer that and put the free ones up. These ones. That's what I was figuring.
Okay, but is that with labor, 1,500?
Yeah.
Ready?
Okay. All right, are you ready? Okay, I'm wiping my feet. They're clean, I promise. Hey, how's it going, guys?
Hi, you guys.
Jay, look at this house.
Gosh, it's a different house.
It doesn't even feel like the same house.
It was a closed off wall here. The kitchen was like brown and ugly.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous.
Oh, I want to see the beams. How do these
yeah.
beams come out? I love them.
look
Honestly, I think these look better than if we would have repurposed the original.
They look gorgeous. So beautiful.
All right, you want to come walk this with me?
Yeah.
Well, Annette's in the back, so we're gonna go help her out.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. And then the party starts in, I think, like 30 minutes, an hour?
Okay, let's start
Like,
from
do
the
you
beginning.
believe-
Let's take it in.
Do you believe this is the same
No.
house?
No. Remember, we debated. Well, I didn't debate. You and Jeff debated taking down that wall.
No, I don't
Yes,
think so.
you
I don't
did.
think so. I don't remember that.
Imagine if we
I would
walked-
have never have left that wall, ever.
You almost did.
I almost did.
We
Okay.
walked in and it was like, boom, that wall was right there. Oh my
Man,
gosh.
oh, look at these lights.
So beautiful.
It all came together so great.
I love how large the island is.
The house is gorgeous.
And this bar area, I love
Yeah.
the wine fridge. I love the gray cabinets. It's gorgeous.
Okay, you haven't seen this bathroom done, have
No.
you? My favorite thing about this house, it has to be all the different custom vanities. Look at this.
Beautiful.
It feels like a furniture piece.
Oh,
Look
yeah.
at that, the metal.
So pretty.
All
This
right.
design is probably one of my
It's
favorites.
gorgeous. Yeah, I can't.
Oh, here's that mud room.
Man, this house made it such a long way.
Look, the beams.
So looking at the ceiling, these are the original beams that were painted. I like the faux beams better.
I was gonna say, those look more real to me than these ones.
Exactly, because they're chunky.
Chunky, that's what it is.
So much better.
I'm actually glad that the second story didn't work out.
It's just gorgeous. And like from this side of the house, you got all the windows of the front of the house. We have the big front yard. We got the big backyard. This is a great family home. Dun, dun, dun.
Right, Mary? You always do dun dun dun.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, I want you to see the bathroom first.
Okay, first. Oh, it's pretty.
It's nice, right?
I love the shower tile. So that's the same as the other bathroom, but
So-
in the gray.
Yeah, so I really like the gray. This used to be one bathroom, one shared
Yeah.
bathroom. We have two bathrooms, and like this feels like a big bathroom.
I feel like we got two good sizes and it doesn't feel tight. Yeah. And the shower is large.
Oh, it's
We
gorgeous.
have your bench in there.
It's gorgeous.
Love the lighting.
What I really like about this house, actually all the houses we've been doing is the little details, the faucets, the lights, the door handles, the cabinet handles.
I think in every single one of our flips, we've done sconces.
With how nice this house came out, I think we could have maybe got a higher price. What are you guys doing here? You guys are early.
Planning.
Setting up the party.
Hi.
Hey, you guys want to help us come up with a list price?
Ooh.
Yes.
All right, so I know the party's about to start. I want to talk about the numbers real
Okay,
quick.
yeah.
So we paid $1,070,000 for the house. Our original rehab budget was $282,000, and then we had about $18,000 in change orders, right?
Yeah, we're about 300.
Okay, so about $300,000, and then we had this flip for a while. I think the total carrying costs were $79,000. Yeah, we had a lot of carrying costs. Selling costs are gonna be $58,000. So our break even's right around $1,507,000.
Wow, okay.
So when we first walked this house, I think the target price was 1.8. I mean, if the market had done just a little bit better, like this is a $1.8 million house.
Yeah, the design is beautiful. The square footage is there. The only thing we're up against is the larger houses in the neighborhood,
And those are way bigger.
about twice
Yeah.
the size. Yeah. So there's one that just came on the market in the neighborhood. Similar square footage, lot size similar, design, everything. They're redone as well. They're listed at 1.6. I actually spoke to that agent, and she has an offer at 1.6, nothing higher. So I think that's going to be our target.
How long were they on the market?
4 days.
Oh.
Same size lot, but they're not a corner lot, so there's not a lot wasted out front. It's in the back.
All right. I think we're gonna have to go $1,599,000. I think if we come in at $1,599,000, if it is low, we should get multiple offers. We'll drive the price up. If it's not low, hopefully it'll sell.
Let's do it.
Let's get it sold. You crushed it.
Oh, yeah.
Love this house.
Crushed it.
You see how pretty the appliances are, too?
I was drooling.
Hi, they look pretty. Thanks for coming.
What do you think about this house?
Bananas.
It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
This used to be a second floor right here. We got rid of it, and then we did these faux beams. Came out nice.
Oh my God, the beams look amazing. I love it. It's so great. I'm good.
How are you?
Good, good.
Good to see you.
Have you guys met?
No. Hi. And who's-
Tay and Rachel.
Nice to meet you. Hey, whoa, hold on, everybody, look at Jeff. Jeff is dressed up. One thing that I've learned in life is that people want to feel valued. And I do care about every single person that works for us. So I want them to have fun. I want them to see the flips. I want them to eat tacos. I want them to go to fun parties, right? Because at the end of the day, we want them to know they're appreciated, because without them, there is no house.
I want to say congratulations to my husband on his 800th flip.
13 years ago, flipping houses was just a crazy idea. Everybody laughed at me. Today, I look around this room of all the different people we work with and all the amazing projects we've done, and this is a team, right? There's no way in the world I could have done any of this on my own. I just want to say, you know, from me and the family and from all of us, thank you all for all the help, because we couldn't do it without you. So that's what I'm trying to say. Because of this amazing team, the right price point, and of course, Heather's incredible designs, you know, just after a couple days on the market, we sold the house. We bought this house for $1,070,000. After all the rehab, carrying costs, everything, our break-even's $1,507,000.
Wow.
We ultimately sold the house for $1,584,000. So we did, in fact, make a profit in one of the worst real estate market in decades. So I'm pretty proud.